Thanks. So I'm Dan Alec-Cuban. I'm the team lead. I'm a team lead for Summon, and I'm here to present to you the Summon API Toolkit. Um, so it was just a hackathon project that a few of our team members created. It's the team members were Jeff Hall and Dominic Deneau. It's essentially a GitHub repository containing some demo projects written in Python and Node.js. It's just a way to quickly come up to speed with making requests to the Summon API. So what you can do with it is perform authentication as well as experiment with creating Summon search API requests and then also being able to view the JSON response. In the GitHub repo, there's also some community links out to some community projects written in PHP as well as in Ruby with Blacklight. And another notable thing is in our hackathon, one of our teams built a Summon mobile project, which is built on Swift 4 for the iOS platform. This is written by a few of our developers as well as one of our dev managers. And this will allow customers to personalize the mobile search experience for their institution. And we are considering open sourcing the project. And so, be on the lookout for that in the next few months. So now I'm just going to take a look at the GitHub repo. How do I do that? Swap this, please. 1 second. Oh, jeez. Sorry. Help out with that. Yeah, how do I swap display?
Did you just switch windows?
That's not working. It's not working there. I have to swap displays again. Oh, jeez. Oh, here we go. No, I don't see that. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is the GitHub repo. Just goes over pretty much what I covered earlier. Here's a link out to the CKC article for how to obtain an API, your API credentials if you're a Summon client. And then a link to some examples written in Java. So digging into each individual directory here. So this is a Node.js project. Here's some instructions for how to get up and running. You need Node.js installed, npm install to install all the Node.js dependencies. And what you really need is this .env file in the root directory, along with your Summon API credentials. And all it is running this command to start up your local server for being able to hit the Summon API. And similarly with the Python project, it's just loading up all the prereqs, installing the Python dependencies, making sure you have the .env file, and then running the app with that command. So let's do that now. Okay. So now I'm in my Node.js directory. You can see here there's a .env file already in there with the Summon credentials. So all I need to do is run node. Okay, so now I have a local server running on port 8080. And I'll do the same with the Python. And again, I have the .env file here. And I have a local server running on port 5000. So let's see that in the browser. So this one is the one that's running the Node.js. So it's essentially running, it just loads a simple HTML page with a form. You can, a couple of basic API query parameters here that you can fill in. And it actually runs a search to the summon API. And here's the search results. You have your title, ID, and either an abstract or a content type, and then the full JSON response. So this is just a quick way really to come up to speed with developing with the Summon API. It really takes away the authentication piece, because typically when people come to us for running the Summon API, it's the authentication piece is what kind of makes things a little bit difficult. So these projects aim to demystify that. So that's pretty much it. The GitHub repo is here. Feel free to play around with it and start creating your own UIs or apps with it. So thanks.
So if you have questions for Dan.